Hey!
Well, hello there.
How's it going, guys? It is a lazy Sunday, and today we are hanging out in Hopewell, New Jersey.
Hopewell, New Jersey is just a little town. It's actually not too far from us, but it has one of our favorite lunch places of all time. And we're getting down to the amount of time that we're spending in New Jersey, and we really wanted to just stop by one last time for some awesome food and some fresh juice.
Yeah, so we couldn't skip on going to Brickfarm Market one more time before we move. It's a small scale local grocer, and that also serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all three of those things they do exquisitely well. So we're gonna go for some lunch today. We're gonna bring you along.
Let's go check it out.
It is very, very tiring being a drone. No wonder they run out of batteries so fast. Oh my gosh. Got some good stuff though.
You did great.
Oh yeah.
Best shots yet?
Oh, easily. We should do that more often.
Authorization zones.
We've made our way over to Brickfarm Market, right on the beautiful downtown of Hopewell, New Jersey.
Brickfarm Market is a really cool place. We were reading a little bit about the history, and the couple who opened the market actually started with a farm first that I think is right behind the market somewhere.
It's called Double Brook Farm, and they opened Brickfarm Market as a storefront for their farm, so they can get the farm as close to the table through the market as possible.
And speaking of table, they do sell food here. There's a little bit of a cafe restaurant, but they have a full, like, more upscale restaurant just down the street as well called the Brickfarm Tavern. So they have this whole, like, sustainability loop where they grow and have all of the food. They bring it to the market where you can pick it up and sell it, and they also bring it back to the restaurant for the farm to table aspect.
And then they bring it back to the farm through sustainable practices and composting and all kinds of things. So they're really big on sustainability and keeping everything locally sourced. Which
is great. And when you walk into the market, I hope we can get a couple shots of it, but it looks very like, it's like a European market almost. They have all their breads and the cheeses, and they have a locally sourced ice cream and all of the best things that you can think of there. It's a really fun place. We don't see things like this a lot in New Jersey, so honestly I think it's pretty unique. It's
a really nice place to come hang out, especially if there's something going on in Hopewell. It's the #1 place, the first place that I gotta come to Brickfarm.
We always
Market.
recommend people to come out here because it is a little off the beaten path for like the area of New Jersey that we live in, but it is just such a good vibes place. It has good energy.
So yeah, we're gonna go grab everything, find a place to sit down, and then we're gonna have the food. We're gonna have an awesome lunch, and we're gonna have an awesome lunch. What kind of lunch are we gonna have? Think, Eric, think. We're gonna have an awesome lunch. So let's go, get out of here.
It's gonna be an awesome lunch.
Alright, we are back. We have our food, and we have enough kombucha to last us maybe a whole quarter.
It's a lot of kombucha, but we love the juices in the kombucha here. Like we said, just like the food, everything is local, so it's all from a local farm and it's local pressed, and they are so good. And we got another special little drink quick treat for us.
And this one is time sensitive, so typically a dessert, but it's hot outside.
It's hot and it's melting. So what we have here is a root beer ice cream float, and I have not had a float in years. Like, I have to have been in elementary school the last time I did this. But this one's special. So the ice cream in here is Red Barn Milk Company ice cream. You guys have definitely seen the Red Barn Milk Company before. We go to the ice cream shop that is in a different town in New Jersey. So they use that local ice cream with boiling soda. Am I saying that right?
That's right.
Which is like a bottled soda. I don't know if that's a New Jersey thing.
I do not think so, but
it's
it is
really good though.
really good.
I'm not a soda person. I actually hate soda, and I like boiling soda. Okay, first of all, it's too long of a straw. It's a really long straw. It's like, it takes so long for it to get up there. But it's really good. This is really good. This was a really great goodbye to like our local ice cream tradition.
So pros, great actual drink. Cons, straw's too long.
Yeah.
Bring your own straw.
You wait, you see how they do with the straw.
Being as tall as I am, I feel like this is the first time a straw has really ever fit what I feel like a straw should be. You know? This is kind of my kind of straw.
That's an absurd thing to say.
No, so this ice cream is out of this
so
world.
Good?
And
Yeah.
I think about it every day. And you know, if I get to have soda with it too, like, more power to me.
Yeah, you're a soda boy. You love soda. I have to ask a question though, because when they were making this, they asked me what flavor of ice cream we wanted in here. Is that a thing? I've only ever had floats with vanilla ice cream, so I said vanilla.
Yes.
But I think that's the
right
way
call.
to go. Yeah.
I couldn't imagine what it would be like with any other flavor ice cream.
Do you want to dig into some food?
Let's do it. So I got the Falafel Burger. It has a falafel burger, imagine. Some cucumbers, garlic aioli, and I think that's it.
I think that's it too.
Straightforward. Yeah. But it looks really, really good. I've been dying for some falafel after after thinking about this Mediterranean place that's in Lambertville. I was like, I gotta have some falafel. And it comes with like a house salad with some vinaigrette and some radishes.
Those are radishes.
Yes. So I always get radishes wrong.
Throwback to Princeton food tour.
I think that's a
Radish.
watercress.
Radish.
I never get it right.
And what I got is a take on a vegetarian sandwich. So this is the Focaccia Sandwich. So it's a bunch of vegetables on focaccia bread. Doesn't sound like you can really go wrong. They also have a carrot hummus, which is like this beautiful bright orange color. And my vegetables are also radishes, some pickled cucumbers it looks like, and chickpeas. So I'm super excited for something a little bit lighter. If you've seen our Lambertville food tour or some of the food we've been eating lately, I could do something a little lighter.
Yeah. That's actually why I got the falafel too, because I was like, it was between that and the southern style fried chicken sandwich, and I was like,
oh, that sounds good too.
I was like, I just can't have something fried again.
Yeah.
So, no, but we're gonna dig into this, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye. All right, we absolutely inhaled our lunch and we are all done. It was awesome, as it always was.
Really good. Tried some kombucha as well. Really happy about it.
We're gonna head home and wrap up the video here and laze around and relax the rest of the day.
We're gonna continue that lazy Sunday feeling, and we hope you guys have a great week.
Yeah, if you guys stop by Brickfarm Market, just definitely let us know. Hope you enjoy one of the many options that they have there, and tell us what your favorite thing is.
Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.